Hey, what's up? In the previous video, I used to talk about one of the best ways to improve your listening skill, accent, vocabulary, and learn how to use new words and make sentences. Do you still remember what that is? That's right. Just by listening to the audios, looking at the scripts, and practicing speaking at the same time, you will surely get all of the above skills in no time. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you the audio scripts of the conversations between the examiner and the two students, Hanan and Kwan. I guess you have been really familiar with these two friends. Before we begin, here are a few tips to get the most from the recording script. I'm going to explain everything in detail right now. Step 1. Please listen to the entire audios as many times as possible. You should do this step 5 to 10 times at least. Step 2. Make sure you understand everything in the conversation. How are you going to do that? By using Google Translate, Cambridge Dictionary, Oxford Dictionary, asking somebody or whatever you like. The point is, you must understand everything. Step 3. You may pause the audio after each sentence or phrase and repeat after that. Try to imitate the speaker's accents to improve your pronunciation. Step 4. More importantly, listen to the sentence stress and practice accordingly. This is really useful to ensure you express the right feelings and send the right messages to listeners. You may want to have a look at my previous lesson, Unit 3, about sentence stress, in case you don't know what that is. Step 5. Practice the whole conversation again and again until you completely master it. Talking about mastering it, here's what I mean. You must be able to ask and answer the questions fluently with the right accent, sentence stress, and natural speed. Don't talk too fast or too slow. Talking too fast sometimes makes things quite difficult to follow or understand, while talking too slow might distract listeners, or they may even be bored to death because of that. Therefore, choosing the most suitable speaking speed is actually essential. One more thing, you might consider doing this step with a partner. It'll be much more effective that way. If you can't find anyone, don't worry. Practicing these steps alone is good enough. I hope you already got the idea. Now it's time to implement what you just learned with the two conversations between the examiner and the students. Here we go. This is the audio script of the conversation between the examiner and Hanan. If you didn't get all the correct answers from the previous assignments in Unit 3, this is your chance to understand why. Let's review the previous lesson a little bit. As you can see, some phrases have been highlighted in green and red. The ones in green such as I really like, I enjoy, and I like can be used to say you like something, while the ones in red including I'm not very keen on and is something I don't like can be used to say you don't like something. Now listen to the audio and read the script carefully. Don't forget doing the 5 steps which were mentioned above after listening.
What do you like about the area where you live?
Oh, I really like the sea and the part of the city just by the sea because it's very beautiful and there are always lots of people there. I live in the suburbs, but I enjoy going shopping in the city center. There are plenty of good shops and I like buying clothes.
What things in Muttra do you not like?
I'm not very keen on the hot weather. And the hot wind from the desert is something I don't like.
How is the area changing?
They're building more houses and roads. It's getting busier.
If you still don't know how to apply the 5 steps above, let me guide you one by one for the first time. Step 1. Listen to the entire audio 5 to 10 times at least. Please do it now. I'm waiting. Step 2. Use all the tools you may have, such as Google Translate, Cambridge Dictionary, Oxford Dictionary, or ask anyone to understand everything in the conversation. Step 3. Pause the audio after each sentence or phrase and repeat after that. Try to imitate the speaker's accents. Step 4. Practice sentence stress. Step 5. Practice the whole conversation again and again until you completely master it. After mastering the first conversation, let's move on to the second one. This is the conversation between the examiner and Kwan. As you can see, some phrases have been highlighted in green and red. The ones in green such as I find very enjoyable and another good thing is can be used to say you like something, while the ones in red, including I find unpleasant and I really dislike, can be used to say you don't like something. Now listen to the audio and read the script carefully. Don't forget doing the 5 steps which were mentioned above after listening.
What do you like about the area where you live, Kwan?
I find walking in the mountains very enjoyable. And another good thing is the people, because they are very friendly and generous. I think people in my village are very happy and relaxed.
What things in your village do you not like?
Well, I live by a busy main road, and I find the traffic very unpleasant. I really dislike the noise of cars and lorries.
How is the area changing?
There's more traffic, so the village is becoming noisier. Also, young people are leaving the village, so it isn't so lively.
That's it for today. I hope you did learn something new through this lesson, especially how to get the most from the recording script. In the next video, you're gonna learn grammar, present simple, and present continuous. See you!